After you've got your headlines sorted out, then the last thing that I want to talk about in this upper section up here is the Open To part. When you click on Open To, it allows you, if you want to, let others know that you're actually looking for a new job. Now you got to think carefully about this, because if you're in a job right now, it's possible that your company's recruiters are on here and will see your profile. So you'll have to make that decision, but they have some options for how to deal with that. So let's say that you want to let people know that you're looking for a new job. You just click on the first option, and they'll allow you to put in different job titles. So it works as a sort of keyword and filter. And then it allows you to say, for example, if you wanted to stay close to where you live, or if you were looking for a specific a specific country, or you wanted to work overseas, that sort of thing. It allows you to choose whether you actively applying or you're just browsing, and it allows you to put down here what sort of job types you're looking for. But down here is where it says choose who sees you're open. So when you click on that, it allows you to choose either all LinkedIn members or recruiters only. So, for example, if you choose all LinkedIn members, which I'm going to do here for the moment, then it's going to put a ring around your profile picture here. Let me put a job title here. So now it's added this Open to Work banner on your picture, but that means that everybody that's looking at you on LinkedIn will see that. So if you're in a company now and you don't want to let that be known, then you don't want to choose that. You only want to choose the recruiters seeing it. And down here, you can add different job titles so that you have more information about what you're actually trying to find.